Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is PJ and I make videos, obviously. I make just videos about random stuff, so like beauty, product reviews, vlogs, just whatever I really feel like filming. And today I'm filming a Kmart haul. So this is bag 1 of 2. If you don't know what Kmart is like Australia Target, I think. It's just a huge store where you can get a variety of things for a really affordable price, and I thought this would be a good idea to do a video on what I buy at Kmart because probably half of my paycheck goes to Kmart. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please click subscribe down below. It's free and who doesn't love free stuff? The first thing I got is this, and I apologize for the noise of the plastic. It's called a peg error. It includes 12 pegs. So basically it's just a circle thing that you can hang and then you can like clip like socks and stuff to. I got this because I want to clip my underwear to it so I don't have to get out like a full clothes rack. So I don't know if you know this, but I drive Uber for a living, so I don't actually need to have like a separate set of clothes every single day. Just something that I'm comfortable in, that I can sit in the car for like 8 to 10 hours. The thing I'm washing most often is my underwear, so I got this so that I didn't have to bring out a whole clothes dryer. So the next thing I got are these cucumber eye patches, and they've actually changed the packaging on this. I'll show you the old ones. This is what the old ones look like. They come with like a pair. This one comes with 3 and it's the same price as this one used to be, but they're basically just under eye patches, and I usually use this for if I'm doing my makeup before I go out. I'll do my eyeshadow first and put these under my eyes. It just makes me feel a little bit less relaxed if my makeup starts going wrong. Meant to hydrate under the eyes. I don't notice like a huge difference with them, but they're $3 I think, and they just make me feel good. On the topic of like masks, I got this face mask applicator. I've been looking for the silicone version of like these brushes because I used to have one from the Body Shop that I used all the time. God, this thing's like welded shut. This one's just a synthetic brush, just easy to clean, and it's like a nice square applicator so you can get like under all those crevices, and it was only like $2 I think, so I don't really care if like it gets ruined by like a charcoal face mask or something like that. Next thing I got, which is opened because I use them in my hair all the time when I do little braids, but it's just this thing of elastics. They come in clear or they come in like different colors. I think it's like pink, green, yellow, red, blue, like all in the one tube. I just get the clear ones because clear works best with pink hair. So the next thing I got was a play suit, and it's a bit hard to show it on camera, but it's basically just a black play suit with a tie and with some buttons down the top, and I got it in a size 16 just because it's that sort of material that doesn't really stretch, and I feel like with Kmart you've really got to size up in your clothing. So I got this because me and my boyfriend were walking past the exercise section, and it's just an NBA t-shirt that says off the chain, and I thought it was super cute. I used to play basketball and umpire basketball when I was a bit younger, and I got this in the biggest size it comes in, which is a 2XL. I just got it so I can wear it to bed. Speaking of the gym section, these are a few clothes I've gotten, and I've worn them before, which is why they're like all wrinkly and stuff like that. These are by the brand Everlast. I don't know if that's like a popular brand or it's a Kmart brand, I'm not really sure, but they're just these grey trackies, and they say Everlast down the leg, and they've got like cupped legs, which I really like. I don't like the trackies that go like just straight down. So I just got these to like lounge around in the house in, and again, drive Uber. I drive at night time so nobody really sees like what I'm wearing, so as long as I'm comfortable then I'm happy. Another pair of pants I got are these high-waisted leggings, and these are probably my favorite pair of leggings I've ever bought like in my whole entire life. They're really high-waisted. They go just above my belly button. If my butt wasn't so big, I think they'd go a lot higher, but they have this really like thick band on the top, and they come with pockets, okay? I was so excited. I went to my sister, I was like, look at my leggings, they've got pockets in them. And they just go like all the way down. I do roll them up a little bit because I'm quite short, but they suck me in, and they're that kind of material that like you don't feel really sweaty when you're at the gym. They're by the brand Anko. Just says Anko Active, and then they say dry performance on the front of the leg. And then I got this shirt here. It's basically just a long sleeve gym shirt, and the wrist has like those finger hold things in so you can put your finger through it, and this is by the brand Anko Active as well. And I just wanted this because being like overweight, and I'm not going to deny that I'm overweight because I know that I am, being overweight when you go to the gym and you're wearing like a t-shirt or a singlet, your arms tend to like obviously stick out, and for me that's like one of like the things I'm self-conscious about, how thick my arms are, and so I don't really want to show that. So having like a dark long sleeve top kind of like covers the fact that my arms are like big. So yeah, that's the whole reason I got this, and I just feel a lot more comfortable with this at the gym, and I don't get super hot because it is really thin. And then the last thing that I got from the gym section, which again I've like worn and washed so it's all like wrinkled, is this sports bra here. It's just a basic sports bra with like a cross back detail. It's like a double cross, if you can see that. I just think it's really cute. It's got padding. The band is really tight and like thick, so when you're wearing it, it's not gonna like fall down or like fall up, if that makes sense. If you wear a sports bra, you know what I mean. And yeah, the cups stay in place. It's just a really nice sports bra. It is a bit difficult to get into if you're wearing like makeup or you've done your hair, so just keep that in mind. It's kind of like putting a tight hoodie on. You've got to kind of like put it over the top because it is all in one piece. Okay, I sort of lied, but this isn't from the gym section. It's from like the electronics section, but I use them at the gym. They're just these wireless headphones. I don't really like the red detail in the inside, but nobody really sees that. They do fold down, which is the whole reason why I got them, just because I thought they're really cute, compact. I wish they didn't have the silver on them either. I just wish they were like plain matte black. Look at me complaining about $20 headphones. These charge by just like a normal like Android charger. You plug it in here. They do come with an aux cord. I'm not really sure what the point of that is. Maybe you can share the headphones. This is just how I use them. I just charge them up and they do last like a couple of days without a charge. They're super good quality. The little padding things that go on your ear are super comfortable. They're easy to clean if you get like makeup on them. They stay on my head, they don't fall off, and the sound's pretty good quality. I'm never one to like buy $200 pair of headphones just because I don't use them enough, and I never really noticed that big of a sound difference. I know people think differently, but yeah, I'm happy with my $20 Kmart headphones. So this is the whole reason I went to Kmart in the first place, but I went to get this. It's a vanity stand. It sits on top of like your bathroom bench and you can put products and stuff in it. I just was so sick of me using products like every single day, and I'm so lazy, so I won't put them back in the drawer and I'll just leave them all over the bench. And so I figured it would look a lot nicer if I had this. They had a couple of different ones which I had screenshotted on my phone, but yeah, I decided to go with this one because it was like classic, and I figured if I was going to move house or I wanted to move it somewhere else into my house, the contrast of like the black and the mirror would just go with a lot of different like countertops. So the next thing is this. It's a bit hard to show on camera, but it's basically one of those things that like hooks onto like a door or like a shower or something like that. I got it for the purpose of sticking onto my shower. I have one that sits on like the outside of my shower, which like my straightener, like my brush cleaner and stuff like that goes in there, but I wanted this one for in the shower because I have like heaps of shampoo bottles and stuff like that on the ground. So pretty basic, pretty boring. I have the black one, and then I was gonna get another black one, but my boyfriend's like, be different and get the white one. So this doesn't match in my shower. I'm blaming him. And then the last thing, it's the Latan Universal Application Mitt. It's double-sided. My dirty one's in the bathroom. This is just a fresh one. It's super soft, and I think this is like $10. It's the application mitt I've used for as long as I've been tanning. I've used a couple of other ones and they always leave like black stuff on me, or they just don't blend it as nice, or they're too thin and I get like tan all over my hands. This is really thick. You can put it in the washing machine. Comes out just like brand new. Granted, I don't actually wash mine. I just use it a couple of times and then I buy a new one. It's really cheap, really good. Absolutely love this. So that was everything that I bought at Kmart this trip round. If you enjoyed this video, please comment down below and let me know if you want to see anything else from me. And make sure you hit the subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Oh, it smells so good. So this is what it looks like outside. Rude.